Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So we've had a delivery from IntoResin.
We have.
And it was quite the surprise because we just said to them, just send us whatever you like.
Whatever you like.
And this is what they sent us. So the first mould is the cutest little jellyfish.
I like that.
And I was like, oh, that's so pretty. And as soon as I opened it, Kirk was like, oh, I could do a million things with that. So his little mind, and I said to him, no, you're in the middle of a big project, go away.
I know.
I was very firm. And then the second mould, I turned it around, I was like, oh, that's so shiny. So I did spend a little bit of time going shiny, shiny.
And ooh.
Yeah, because look at that. I was like, oh, what is this? What is this beauty?
It was quite difficult to see from there.
And then I had a look at, it's obviously a pot. That much I could sort of get.
Yeah.
But I'm like, I can't tell. So my plan was simple. I'll do a clear pour, pop it in the pressure pot.
Yep.
And then we will have a good look at what it is. And then I can decide what I'm going to do for a make. Because I do, with IntoResin, I do like to have a nice clear one.
Yeah, for a couple of reasons. One, just to see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Because they're crystal moulds.
Yeah.
And they look stunning.
And what I don't want to do is put colour where there's going to be shiny bits that really would suit, better suit being clear.
Yeah, and also it gives us a good idea if there are any bubble traps or anything.
Well, no, it doesn't
like
because I put it in the pressure pot.
Well, yes.
Bubble traps would be you leave it to dry on its own.
Yeah.
So don't take any notice of Kirk. He knows not of what he speaks.
I know lots of what I speak.
So on the desk, I fill them up sort of, I would say 90% of the way, because I do finish the pour in the pressure pot.
Yeah, because you don't want to fill it to the brim.
And then try and move it because I'll end up wearing it.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know if I showed this. Oh, I did. Look at that.
I know. Well, a bit of it.
Well, you can just, there you go. There's my leg and the corner of the pressure pot.
Yeah, ready and waiting.
Yeah, so that's me just going, it's going in there. There you go.
Yeah.
And then I thought, I'm not doing that. So this is a day later and I was very excited.
Yeah.
And then this happened.
Yeah.
And I was like, no, this is awful. So I ignored it for a moment. And then I had a look at the octopus.
Jellyfish.
I've got octopus on the brain.
Okay.
I don't know why, but jellyfish. And he came out and I was like, oh, he's just beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at him. Isn't he stunning?
I really like that. And I'm going to do stuff.
Zip. You're not going to abominize it. You're going to do pretty things with it.
Why can't I do both?
No. Pretty.
Can I do
pretty?
A pretty abomination.
That I'd like to see. Anyway, look how, I mean, he is absolutely gorgeous. And I had so many ideas at this point. Like you could put little bits of nylon string into him. And then you could have him hanging like a little, like a mobile. You could do a few of them and have it hanging as
like a sun catcher.
Like a sun catcher.
That would be cool.
In the bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's that. And then I demolded the lid of the pot and it took my breath away. I don't even think you can catch how sparkly this thing is.
No.
It's stunning. It's quite possibly the prettiest IntoResin mold that we've got.
Yep.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah. And then
it came to this bit and I could have actually sat and cried. I could have cried. I was like, this cannot happen.
I don't know what happened, but when I put it in the pressure pot, it didn't stay straight.
Yeah.
The middle bit didn't stay straight and it warped.
I think my theory is that Kirk broke it, but Kirk would never admit to such a thing.
No, because it didn't happen.
See? So I was very, very gentle taking it out, as gentle as I could be. And then it got to this point and I literally could not get it out. And I thought, this cannot happen. I need this pot in my life.
Yeah.
So I called Kirk I gave up. I thought, no, this is just terrible. So I called Kirk up, and
she shouted and she went, "Fix it."
I went, "Fix it now."
However, what I had to do was heat up the resin again and then just break the resin. So that I could release the mould.
Yeah. So it was touch and go, I have to say. But I was looking at the finished make, although it's in 2 pieces. But if you look at just the one side, squint your eye a little bit, you can see how beautiful the mould is. But it's got like little shells, little starfish, it's got gems on it. And I thought, I don't know, because I don't want to colour it full on colour. I want it to be a real subtle piece.
Yeah.
Because I know someone who would really like this particular mould. Now, when he fixed it, it did result in a bit of a
mishap.
A mishap in the pot centre. It got a tiny tear, but I've managed to fix it, so it's all okay.
Yeah.
Relief was good. Yeah. Kirk is safe again because, you know,
I've always been safe.
Anyway, I took some pearl white, the macro pearl white from Jacquard, and I just filled in the shells. Now, I think because of the type of mould, it's going to take a little while to get used to like what's going to look nice,
good in there,
what's going to be too much, but all in all, this mould and the jellyfish took 200 mils.
Yeah.
So it doesn't take. It's a tiny amount, and they are so pretty, so pretty.
It is really pretty.
It literally took my breath away. So I've got some of the Tiny Turner dark Eclipse, and I'm just going around. There's like beading at the top and the bottom of the jar.
Yeah.
And I'm just colouring that with the Eclipse. Now, if you're going to say to me, but in order to use that, you should put black behind it. I know.
You don't have to.
But I specifically want... Can you see how I move the mould the mould around? You get that sort of... That it's hint like of colour.
Yeah.
That's what I want. That is what I was going for. I wanted...
a shimmer.
Yeah, I wanted a coloured shimmer behind the piece.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I wanted. So I turn it the right way, and obviously I do the same on the lid. The only thing that I colour on the lid is just that little...
The top bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that's the same as the where the starfish is in the bottom, inside the pot. Does that make sense?
No.
Probably didn't.
No.
It will all become apparent. It will all become... There's a similar sort of pattern on the top of the lid as there is inside the pot.
Yeah, so when the lid and the pot are together...
Yes, yeah. But
looks
again,
good.
I am being really subtle, because subtle is where I'm going with this. I know.
Wow.
Who am I?
Wow.
And then I thought, I know that both of them take 200. I don't know how much one takes on its own, so I might as well just do them both. So we've got... And I thought, why not do it in the same sort of...
Are we going to be overrun with jellyfish now?
It's not beyond the realms of possibility, if I'm telling you the honest truth, because I do like them.
Okay.
I really do. So I thought I'll put some of the Eclipse onto the tentacles. Is that what they have? They don't have tentacles, do they? Whatever the jelly... Are they tentacles?
Yeah, I'd call them tentacles.
I don't think they are tentacles, though.
Okay.
Whatever that bit is on the jellyfish, that's the bit I did.
Okay. While Nikki is colouring in tentacles, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to our Glitterati members for supporting us and allowing us to make tentacled jellyfish.
Indeed. And then I thumbed and ahed about the head of the jellyfish. Did I want it to be coloured, or did I want it to be clear? And I thought if it was clear, it might look a bit odd with the coloured bottom bits. So
okay.
I got some I just got some of the silver and put that in. So I made 200 mils, and then I split it into two cups, because I didn't want it to flash cure because it was really hot this day.
It
It was
been really hot for a few
insanely
weeks now.
warm. So now it's in the IntoResin mould. You can't use isopropyl on them, and you can't use flames or anything like that. So I just bubble watched for a little bit, and then this is the following day. This is the jellyfish, and again I was blown away by how pretty it is.
Yeah, and you can see where you've micred it. It's subtle, so you can still see through it.
Yep.
But it is just
it's just the hint.
Yeah.
And I love how that looks. Even though I haven't used black behind it, I've used a clear. I absolutely love how that ethereal colour looks.
Yeah.
I really do.
It does look quite
I was
ethereal.
very pleased. I was a happy bunny. So I spent some time looking at it.
Yeah, cooing over it.
Going, ooh. And then it was time for the pot. So far so good because nothing has gone wonky.
No. No, this lot wasn't put in the pressure pot.
Yeah, I was not trusting Kirk again. I just let it dry, let it cure. And it degassed lovely. So, hey ho. But that's the lid. And you can just see as I turn it around, you get that little flash of colour.
Yeah.
And that's what I wanted. So I was really pleased with that. And I thought, I hope the jars come out in a similar way.
In one piece this time?
Well, in one piece would obviously be good.
Yeah.
But so top tip, if ever you get an IntoResin mould, whatever you do, don't let Kirk put it in the pressure pot ever again.
That's harsh.
No. But, yep, it's beautiful. Look at it. And can you see as I turn it, you just get that sort of hint. You get a hint of something. You get
the blue, but the shell's not as...
No, but you get it. You get it enough. That's what I wanted. Yeah. You get it enough to go, that's a shell. But it's not so much that it takes it away from the beauty and the crystal. Because to me, it looks like it's a... Yeah. It looks like glass to me.
The camera doesn't actually do it justice.
No, unfortunately, our camera never, ever does an IntoResin mould the justice that they deserve. No. But if you've ever had one, you'll know what we're talking about. It's absolutely stunning. I was so pleased. So thank you so much to IntoResin for sending it to us. I love it. I will, of course, leave a link to these two moulds in the description if you're interested. And there will be a discount code. And there are the finished pieces.
Ooh.
Let us know what you think in the comments. And hopefully you might leave us a like. You never know. If you found this video entertaining or valuable, please do leave us a like.
And while you're down there liking, why not give the subscribe and tickle as well?
Indeed. And hopefully you'll have a good couple of days and we will see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.